Sincerely your Kayos. My name is James F. Bunyao, Section G2E-1, and this is my video. Plaguing and permeability in critical factors influencing a ship's stability, particularly in scenarios involving hull damage or flooding. Plaguing, loss of buoyancy and stability. Plaguing occurs when a compartment below the waterline is breached, allowing water to enter freely. This results in the loss of buoyancy provided by the compartment, leading to several stability concerns. Increased drop. The ship sinks deeper into the water to compensate for the lost buoyancy in increasing the draft. Altered trim. Unless if the brigade compartment is off center or located towards in bow or stern, the vessel may experience a less leaning to one side or trim tilting forward or backward. Reduce reserve buoyancy. The overall reserve buoyancy decreases, diminishing the ship's ability to recover from heeling moments. Decreased metacentric height (GM). The loss of buoyancy and changes in the center of buoyancy can reduce the GM, a key indicator or initial stability. For instance, when a midship compartment is plagued, the vessel's draft increases and its stability parameters must be recalculated to assess the new condition. Permeability impact on flooding instability. Permeability refers to the percentage of a compartment's volume that can be occupied by water when flooded and varies based on the contents and structure of the compartment. Empty compartments, high permeability up to 100%, allowing more water ingress in greater loss of buoyancy. Machinery spaces, moderate permeability, approximately 85% as equipment occupies space, reducing water ingress. Cargo holds variable permeability depending on cargo type. For example, grain field holds have about 60 to 65 permeability. The permeability factor is crucial in damage stability calculation as it determines the extent of flooding and subsequent stability application. Calculating the effects. When assessing the impact of plaguing and permeability on a ship's stability, naval architects use specific formulas to estimate changes in draft and stability parameters. This calculation consider the volume of lost buoyancy, the area of the intact water plane, and the permeability of the affected compartment. Mitigation measures. To maintain stability and safety, watertight integrity. Ensure all watertight doors and hatches are properly maintained and closed when necessary. Regular inspection, conduct routine checks for hull integrity and compartmentalization. Damage control procedures, train crew in emergency response to flooding, including the use of pumps and ballast adjustments. Design consideration incorporate adequate subdivision and compartmentalization during the design phase to limit flooding effects. Understanding and managing bleaching and permeability are essential for ensuring a vessel's resilience against flooding and maintaining overall stability.